Creating a base in Airtable is a simple process that allows you to organize and manage your data effectively. Here's how to create a base in Airtable. Sign into Airtable. First, go to Airtable and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Create a new base. Once logged in, on the homepage, click the Add a Base button. You can either start with a blank base, use a template, or import data from another source. Choose a template or start from scratch. Start from scratch. Select this option if you want to create a completely custom base. You'll be prompted to name your base. Use a template. Airtable offers pre-built templates for various use cases like project management, inventory tracking, and CRM. Simply choose the one that fits your needs. Import data. You can import data from sources like CSV, Google Sheets, or Excel to create your base automatically. Name the base. Give your base a descriptive name related to the project or purpose it will serve. Add tables and customize. After creating the base, you can add multiple tables to organize different data categories. Each table can have different fields, views, and records.